Okay, we're going to do 9.2, the second part, which is subtraction. It gets to be a little bit more difficult because we actually want to change it to addition that makes it simpler. So if we distribute this subtraction sign to the second parentheses, or the binomial, then it'll make it addition. So we're just really going to change the signs. So what we do is, instead of this one, it's going to be negative 3x and plus 2x squared. Now you will also notice that these are not in standard form, but that's okay because we are actually going to move it over here anyway to make it part of this addition process. So now it's addition. So we're going to write our 4x squared, our plus sign, and our negative 3x squared. Go back, that's not a squared, so we have to do the 2x squared plus 2x squared. And then we do have this negative 3x, and that one's on this one, so we put 3x. Well, we don't have an x on this one, so we're just going to put a line here. However, we do have a -1, but we don't have a constant over on this one, so we're just going to put another line right here. You can even put a 0 if you want, or something like that. And then we go ahead and add our like terms. So we have 6x squared. This one just brings this down, so negative 3x, and this one brings this down to -1, and our answer is this. I know that's confusing. If you need to practice that, rewind it and try it again. Please do so. It took me 3 or 4 times in order to actually say it right and write it right, so I would definitely practice that one quite a few times. This next one gets even a little bit more difficult. Again, what we're going to do is we are going to distribute and change the signs so that we have 8x squared plus 3x minus 4. So that's our second set. So I'm just going to cross that one out. And then we have our plus. And then let's write, this one is not in standard form, so let's write it in standard form. We have 8x squared minus, because there's a minus sign in front of it, plus 12x plus 6. And then we can go ahead and add it. So then we will add this one to the bottom with our addition sign. So we've got 8x squared, we've got plus 3x, and we've got minus 4. So this one they cancel each other out, -8 plus 8. 12x plus 3x is 15x. And then we have a plus 2, because plus 6 minus 4 is 2. And our answer is this. Again, that one's kind of confusing, so if you want, rewind, try it again, try it by yourself, see if you get it right, what went wrong, go step by step. This next one, again, gets a little bit more difficult because we like to make it difficult so you know all of the rules. So the first things first, we're going to go ahead and distribute these negative to make it a positive, so change all the signs. So we're going to make this a negative 2x3 minus 4x squared plus 3x, because it changes the sign, and then minus 1. So this is our second, this is a polynomial, and it's our second set of parentheses. So this one is now changed. And we know that it goes 3 to variable and constant, so it's already in standard form. We don't have to change it, so that's a good sign. So let's work on this one. Is it in standard form? We've got negative 6x cubed plus 5x minus 3. It is in standard form, so that makes it a little bit easier too. We do not have to rewrite that one. However, let's write our biggest one first when we are getting ready to add it. So we will write negative 2x cubed minus 4x squared plus 3x minus 1. And now we have to find our like terms. So we do have one that is cubed. So we do negative 6x cubed. We do not have a square, so we're just going to put our line here. If you want to put a 0, you can. And do we have a 3x over here? No, we have a 5x, so we're going to do plus 5x. And we do have a constant, and that's minus 3. So we're going to add a plus there, and we're going to go straight down. So we have negative 2 minus 6, so that turns into negative 8x cubed. And then we have our negative 4x cubed. And then we have our plus 8x. And then this turns into minus 4. And that is our answer. So first things first, again, distribute the subtraction sign to make an addition, and then write both in standard forms, match up like terms, and then you add the like terms. This one's pretty difficult. I would rewind it to the very beginning. Try to do it on your own by writing it on a piece of paper, step by step. If you get it wrong, you do not get these same answers right here, then look to see where you might have made a mistake and try it again. All right, thanks.